Hi, I'm Lili. Today I'm going to show you how to make some broken wings prosthetics from scratch. To make those prosthetics, first I started to shape a piece of Worbla on my back. That allowed me to have the time to find the right position and proportion for the prosthetic. It's also brilliant because on the day of application you just apply on your back and you know exactly where they need to be glued. Now for the broken wings prosthetic, I've made quite a few of them in different sizes to have some option, and I've shaped them out of foam clay with a base of newspaper and duct tape. I'm going to show you in this tutorial how I made the smaller version and how I've applied it. Well, actually with the help of my friend Carla, who was kind enough to apply it on my back. Now here's the list of the material I've used to make the prosthetic. Enjoy the video. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Next time I'm going to show you how to transform a normal cheap smoke machine into a ground fog. You know, this kind of effect you have in Symmetry, in horror movie and stuff. It looks really cool. And I'm going to show you how to do it. See you next time.